Let me just go ahead and show you. The pieces actually got here today, so I'm really excited. Because my car's been sitting for like 4 days now. Look at this. I like how they come packaged. Then we got the spark plugs right here. So this is what you're gonna need. I'm gonna show you where I ordered them from in just a bit. So you do need all those pieces I just showed you, but for this video, I'm not gonna put them all in right now because I don't have all that time. But I'm gonna change out one coil, and what this is gonna do, this is gonna fix your car and my car for a good amount of time until you have enough time to change them all out. And that means changing out the coils and the spark plugs, and to find out which coil is actually broken. Because if your car is like idling really rough or stuttering when you step on the gas, there must be a coil that broke. So you need to go to the mechanic, have him scan it, or if you have a scanner, you scan it yourself, find out which cylinder is misfiring, remove that coil and put in a new one. And I'm gonna show you how to do that right. All right, let me go ahead and show you what it's like right now. I wonder if I even turn on. You hear that? Service engine, it's cold as hell. And then the exhaust just looks like shit. I'll just show you that real quick. See? It sounds like shit. Let's see. Alright, cool. I need to find the one that goes in here. Try 27, nope. Bigger than that, 30. Alright, it's this one right here. So I finally found what I needed. There we go. Alright, cool. I won't lie. Ow, my head. Ow. Should be able to just push this back. Slide it back here. Nice. Alright. Let me show you what I'm doing. You see, I pushed this back. Just leave it there. And now we gotta count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's number 4. I'm gonna pull that out right now. Let's see. Alright, look at what I'm doing. I don't want you guys to fuck shit up. Okay, that's what I'm trying to take out right there. You lift up this tab. There it goes. The tab is up all the way. You pull out this little sensor right there where the cable's going. Sensor's out. Now we gotta pull out the coil. Let's see if we have enough space. Here, give me a second, guys. There. Alright, coil is up. Alright, nice. Now I'm gonna go get the new one. Let's go ahead and get the new one. This is the new one right here. Alright, now I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Let me just show you how it looks before I put it in there. Alright, this is how the new coil looks. So clean, so dope. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the old one real quick because it's snowing. I don't want anything to happen. The water getting in there, nothing like that. Alright. So now I'm gonna pull it out. Come on, you little shit. It's out. Put in the new one. Now when I turn the car back on, my car should be running like back to, oh 100%. Well, somewhat near that. I'm trying to do this without dropping the camera. I didn't bring my fucking adapter. Here. Alright, so you just gotta make sure this is pushed all the way in. Alright. Now that I think that's all the way in, go ahead, grab this, move this out the way. So you're gonna go ahead and try to put this back on. Alright, it's snowing even more now. So alright, now when I turn it on, the light should be gone and the car should be running pretty smooth. Let's see. As you can see, the light's gone and the car feels super smooth. It sounds super good again. Let me just go ahead and show you how smooth it is, and then we'll end the video. See?